edition of HITEX, Hyderabad International Machine Tools Expo, and I'm really glad to see more than 100 companies, I think around 143 companies, organizations or exhibitors that have actually, are exhibiting their different equipment here. And another interesting part of it is there are a couple of sessions on artificial intelligence for which actually I'm attending today. How AI can be deployed or leveraged in the manufacturing sector. So it's coming together all technologies, especially in the aerospace and defense sector. And it's actually a kind of a matchmaking or bringing together all the interested, parties or organizations, both buyers and sellers, onto a single platform. It's a great initiative by HITEX, and they should do it every year going forward. And I'm sure this platform that is actually provided by HITEX, is going to facilitate exchange of knowledge and exchanging the technology, sharing of new technological advancements and so on. And it's a great place for both buyers and sellers. Thank you.